Hello everybody, it is August the 9th and we are on our way to Abbotsford. We're gonna go a different way because we have a few days before we get there. Steve is behind me and that's kind of odd because he's allowing me to lead. I think it's crazy because I don't know where I'm going. We just left Edmonton and it's 8:44 here in the morning. I have a lot of stuff with me. I think I probably overpacked a little bit, but that's usually what happens with me. I always take more than I need because I don't want to regret taking something. You know what I mean? So we are on our way to Calgary first, and we're probably going to have some lunch there, and then from there we're going to keep on going. But yeah, so this is day one of the BC trip. Hope you guys enjoy this video because it's going to take a lot of work for me, not only to do the ride, but to post these videos every single day. I'm going to have to do editing at night, and who knows how long it's going to take me. And I'm going to be extremely tired after riding and all that kind of stuff. But I'm going to do it because you guys, my subscribers, you guys mean everything to me. And I'm doing this for you guys. So I hope you enjoy. We'll come back when we get to Calgary. Hello guys, we have made it to Calgary. We're gonna pull over here and get some gas somewhere because I am already blinking empty for fuel. Steve is coming up to my right here. How you doing, buddy? There's Calgary right there. It's hard to see Calgary. There's lots of fires in BC right now, and I think with the wind direction today, it's blowing the smoke into Calgary, so very smoky. Should get a good view of Calgary here right away. But we're gonna stop and get something to eat. I'm hungry, Steve is hungry, and there's Calgary right there. Hopefully you guys can see it on the video. And my ears are sore from the wind noise. So I'm gonna get some gas and then we'll come back. Okay, so we found Petro Canada, and we're gonna get some gas here now. Gas is $1.46.9. Ouch. Oh, this is gonna hurt real bad. Oh. So we just got gas and coming up to Calgary here downtown. Steve is in front of me there. Took about 3.5 hours to get here. Not too bad. Body is starting to ache already, and we are going to get lunch here and then still go another 400 kilometers before we even stop for a hotel. So I think we're going to do a total of about 800 kilometers today on this trip, on day one anyway. We're looking for McDonald's. Hopefully we can find a McDonald's here. Nothing's coming up on the Google Maps. So we're just driving around here and hoping to find one. Alright, so Steve and I, we stopped over at Carl's Jr. Could not find a McDonald's, believe it or not. So we ended up just eating at Carl's Jr. And we just left there, and we're gonna be heading to Cranbrook now. And that is where we're gonna be staying for the night. And it's about 3.5 hours away. Hopefully you guys can hear me a lot better with this mic. I made some adjustments on it. I put some cotton wool around it, and then I put the microphone sock over top of that. So hopefully it's making a huge difference in sound. But I'll come back to you guys later once we get closer to Cranbrook. Ciao. So we're still making our way to Cranbrook. We've got a beautiful view right here, and I figured why not show it to you guys. Check it out. This is Longview coming up. We got lost there for about 5 minutes, and I had to look at the GPS to see where we were. As you can tell, Steve is leading the way because he knows where he's going. So we are here. I've never been here before, ever. Seen a few bikers already. There's another 2 right there. So stay tuned. So just another beautiful view right here. The hills and stuff. It's you know, it's breathtaking. There's still a lot of smoke in the area, and I think we're gonna have this problem all the way to Victoria, but fingers crossed that it goes away. So it's just Steve and I on this open valley, no other car in sight. So you don't want to break down here because it would suck big time. So I have enough gas to get me to the next gas station, which is about 100 kilometers away. And then we'll take another little rest. But it's just so beautiful here. This road is so cool. It's really windy, so you really have to pay attention. You can't fall asleep. It's not just straight, you know. And I can't wait till we start getting into these hills, because it looks like this road is going to go right through them. And I think the video is going to be pretty good. So we've come up to construction. Great. We have fresh oil right here. This is not good, and we got a traffic jam here. I mean, why? Can't they just not do construction when I want to go away? So we are stuck in construction and Steve is sweating. You want to say something to the camera? Well, it's a good thing. It's a good thing they can't hear you then. You sick bugger. So we've got a nice, beautiful view here. Wow. Looking great. We finally got out of that construction. They're paving the left lane here, as you can tell. Right lane is finally paved, but I don't know. It's going to be a problem, I think, further down too. It's created some traffic volume here. Anyways, we'll come back. Hey everybody, hopefully I'm recording. Great. Hey, look at this view, beautiful view here. Still trying to make our way to Cranbrook. I'm getting tired. It's hot, really hot. And so I'm just trying to make it, man. Just trying to get there. Hey everybody, we're at Crow's Nest Pass, which is right here. And look at this beautiful rocks here. Like, it's gorgeous, beautiful. We got mountains to the left, mountains to the right, and a whole bunch of rocks here. Very cool to see all these rocks. Wow. Having a good time so far. I'm very sore. It's hot, like I've been mentioning before. It feels like it's 40 degrees. So just sweating. I got a motorcycle jacket on, which is, yeah, it's very hot to wear it. The smoke has kind of gone away a little bit here, which is a really good thing. But what a beautiful view here, as you can tell, and riding in this is pretty cool. We're looking for a place to gas up here and just take a little bit of a break, because I'm really aching. I've been riding for 6.5 hours now, so we need a break and something to drink, because I am thirsty. So here's a fast gas right here, and so let's pull in here and get some gas. Wow, it's been fun so far, really fun. Okay, I've just been riding for 6.5 hours, guys. I don't know if you guys want to hear this or not, but it's not gonna sound pretty good. Ugh! So there's been some fires over here. We have a helicopter that is scooping up water from the lake over here, right over there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, right there. And he's swinging around over here and dropping water, actually right over here. There he goes. That bucket looks not very big. Yeah. I'm not sure how much water that thing will hold, but it's pretty scary knowing that this fire is going on right now. Another gorgeous view, guys. Let me close this vent here so you guys can hear me. Beautiful. Here's a nice, I don't know, lake or river, I don't know what it is. It's beautiful, clear water. there was a sign for mountain goat, so hopefully we get to see some. It is just so beautiful here. What a gorgeous ride. Have not been here before. It's a first for me, guys. Just beautiful. It's a cool road. Zigzagging left, right, left, right, left, right as we're coming down here. Really nice on a bike. Beautiful down here. Doing good. Needed that break to get gas. Feel a lot better. So I think we're coming into Sasquatch territory. This is where you would see one hiding around there somewhere. So Mark Stice, I hope I get to catch one for you. I'm looking as I'm riding here for you. If you guys don't know about Mark Stice's channel, his channel is called Chatting with Mark Stice. Go and check out his channel. He is a really cool guy, and he's becoming a really good friend to me, so go check out his channel. He's very close to getting to his 1,000 subscribers. Let's go and help him get there. Go to his channel and hit subscribe right now.